Welcome to Crochetsmash. Let us try today making a headband with a basket weave stitch. So we make a chain of multiple of 8 plus 4, and on the fourth chain plus from the hook we are going to make a double crochet, then another double crochet, and we make all the double crochets, a double crochet in the remaining stitches, and then we will start doing the pattern. Okay. So we made all the double crochets. Now we start making the turning chain 3. This is the first stitch. Then the next double crochet we make a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook from front to back to front, then grab the yarn, bring underneath the thing stitch, and then like this. So the previous line, the second single crochet from our row 1, it is bring to the front, it is pushed a little bit to the front, that is front post double crochet. We make a 4 front post double crochet. Now we make 4 back post double crochet. So from the, we insert the hook to the front and then bring to the back and get the yarn and go to the back and make a double crochet. So as you can see, this one is pushed a little bit more to the back. So again, 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. Then we make 4 front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 back post double crochet. And there is 1 double crochet left, so we make a regular double crochet in that one. Now we make the turning chain 3, then go to the next double crochet. We make a front post double crochet, 1 front post, 2 front post, 3 front post, and 4 front post. The next one we make 4 back post double crochet. Yarn over and we make back post. Now for back post double crochet is made. When we move to the next one, make a front post double crochet, 4 front post double crochet. And in the last double crochet we make the regular double crochet. So make two more rows in the same way. 1 2 3 chains to turn, then 4 front post double crochet and 4 back post double crochet, like that. Repeat the pattern for 2 more rows. Now we change the pattern a little bit, 2 3, and we go to make back post double crochet. Sorry. 1 2 3, and we make a back post, bringing this to the back, and a back post double crochet. 1 2 3 4 4 back post double crochet. Now we make the next one as front post, 4 front post double crochet. 1 2 3 4. Now again we make back post, 1 2 3 4. Now we make a front post, 4 front post, 1 2 3 4. Now in the last chain 3 we make 1 regular double crochet, then again chain 3, and we make back post, 4 rows of pattern beginning with the back post double crochet. That's what we are doing. After the 4 rows we will change back to beginning the row with the front post. Okay. Now we make a 4 front post. You can make a scarf with it. 1 2 3 4. Then we go to make a 4 back post double crochet. Then we are back to making the front post double crochet in the last 4 double crochet, and the last one we make a regular double crochet, then chain 3 and turn. We will do 2 more rows of starting with the back post double crochet. This is the headband. I finished using the Basketweave pattern, and I finished it like in a turban style knot. This finishing touches was mentioned in another video. I will put a link of that one in this video, so you can watch that one, how to stitch. And then this one is made using variegated yarn, Icelandic blue shades. So this one is good. Try with using variegated yarn. It will give texture and color patterns as well. Looks nice, right? This one. This too I am going to add to my Etsy store soon. And my Etsy store is crochetsmash.etsy.com. You can visit that one. Thank you. See you with the next pattern in next time. Bye.